have arrived. Ooh, ski holidays!
Let us take you on a journey to the village in Austria.
Hello.
It was the excitement for skiing that brought us all the way here.
Scheffau, Austria. This is Sabby. Hi. Hello.
Our stay at the Haus Bergfrieden was a very pleasant one. This was the view from the window, perhaps just like heaven.
Surrounded by the majestic peaks of the mountains of Wilder Kaiser. Scheffau maintains a picturesque charm and a traditional village character.
Ski Welt Scheffau is the heart of the ski Welt. Centrally located, quickly and easily accessible from the village.
We walked around in the village of Scheffau and reached the place where we will be skiing. But that will happen tomorrow. Today we are just sightseeing.
Small roads and quiet lanes, and bridges over the rivers. We enjoyed the walk back home, and the memories we made will live forever. We also did snowshoe hiking.
Best way to access the most untouched corner of Tyrol.
It gives you a fascinating insight into the magical winter landscape.
And is a great way to get out in the fresh alpine air overall. After wandering around, our end of the day was also fine.
With live music and bonfire in the village meet.
It was time for some hot glue wine.